how to zoom out in Adobe Acrobat. If you feel like you are a little close to your PDF, like you need to step back and see the bigger picture, zooming out in Adobe Acrobat is super easy and there are a few ways to do it. Let's dive right in. I'm already inside the PDF which I want to zoom out. Make sure you are also already inside it so we can do this together. Once you're inside the PDF, you will see this type of interface. As I said earlier, you can see my text is a little bit more larger. Now, what you have to do in order to zoom out this one is you can see options or menu in your right side, right over here. And at last, you can see an option which have magnifying glass and minus inside it. Simply tap on it, and from there you can simply zoom out like this. Now access the PDF as you want. That will make you easier to read it. And if you love using keyboard shortcuts, what you can do is simply tap on Ctrl and minus, and that will gradually decrease the PDF like this. And the maximum zoom out that you can do is 1%. And I think this is fine. And that's the way that you can zoom out using Adobe Acrobat. So there you have it, 2 super quick ways to zoom out in Adobe Acrobat. Choose whichever method clicks the best with you and get that perfect document view. Now you can really get the lay of the land with your PDF. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.